Nothing's gonna bring me down. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Nothing's gonna bring me down.
Oh, damn it, boy. Oh,
We're both on right now. Double hook up. Woo! Trout skis. Relax, dude. Relax. We're on 15 right there.
yes,
You gotta see the new the new Goldilocks and silver minnow that I have. I'm using what is it? Holographic glitter. Holographic glitter. Freaking shines.
really?
For days, bro. You'll see them later. I want to give you some packs.
Yeah, I need that card from you.
What?
It's that memory card.
Oh yeah.
My GoPro just died.
Battery.
Oh, damn it, they just freaking bumped it. Look.
Skip jack. Oh. Shut up. Whoa, he picked it up again over here, dude. Yeah, you saw that?
Yeah.
Fucking hit it again. As soon as it landed.
Yeah.
I really want that Cosmo, dude.
Please.
As soon as it hit the water, it scooped it. It's crazy.
Don't mind if I do.
There's another one. There's a bigger one. Oh, it's a ladyfish. Man. Good morning to you too, bro. Jesus. Oh, shit. Jeez, man. Hopefully he didn't ruin my lure. Jeez.
And they were catching all the time.
Oh, really? Oh. Imagine if this was a trout. Oh, what that? Cone? Kaunos. Kaunos? Yeah. No quieren hoy. It's not a small ladyfish by any means. It is huge, bro. I think I might need to net this guy. Where's your net so I don't break my rod tip?
In front where your dad.
God. Record PB right here, called the state. Let them know. We have the new Texas world record. Man, he shredded the lure, dude. You have more of that?
Yeah. Oh, you only had one on you?
No, my dad has some, but I probably gotta restock him soon too.
Man, whenever you get a chance, I'll take a couple pounds.
Yeah. Yeah, I have them done already. I was just too tired. Is it? 22 and a half.
We're gonna fish from this other side, sir.
We're not gonna cut them, right?
Huh? Nah, he's too big, dude.
Cut bait.
Dude, I thought you were going over. I was like, no.
What do you mean?
I thought you were gonna fall over.
Oh, slow motion or what?
Yeah. No, no. Oh. I was about to dive in after you, bro.
It's about 4 feet. I'm pretty sure my head will stick out a little bit.
Count it out. Rose up from the bottom, made our own route. We ain't never worried, bring them all out. Sling on our side, we going all out. Gon' bring them out. Bring the giants out. Bring the giants out. Bring the giants out. Bring the giants out. We ain't never been scared, we ain't backing down. Bring the giants out. Bring the giants out.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. This might be a keeper.
Oh, this one's a keeper. This one's a keeper, bro. I need the net. I need the net. Hurry, 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 hurry. Hell yeah. Keeper number 2.
On the Cosmo.
Don't be hating, Hugo. 17.
It's the color. I switched to a red and yellow like yours. First cast. Hold on, hold on. I gotta keep her. Twinsies. Try the red and yellow, if not after the spoon deck.
Oh, it feels like a better trout. It hasn't come up yet either. Oh yeah, net. Boy, that's a good trout. That's a good trout, bro. Stay on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Yeah, yeah.
That's a nice one. Ooh, good 1920.
That's the biggest trout now. Look at that bad boy.
Nice one.
20. Yep. What?
Big old bull red.
Hey, I got, really?
Yeah.
I think I got another keeper, bro. Net.
That was a huge bull red.
No shit.
Yeah, at least like a 30-something bull red.
He was just swimming by the boat?
Huh?
He was swimming by the boat?
It came towards it, but I think it was chasing one of the lures.
15 and a half.
Crowd gon' wild now for the real ones who's coming up. We can do this right now, but watch out, won't settle down. Hands off, that's lights out, it's knockout, put it to the ground. What's a giant to a slink? We are lead in the ring. We don't fear anyone but the throne, he the king. Gon' throw us to the ropes, but we'll never tap out. We ain't never gon' stop, go until we black out. Count it out. Rose up from the bottom, made our own route. We ain't never worried, bring them all out. Sling on our side, we going all out.
Oh, man, what are you doing?
He's a big guy, bro.
Who's bigger, you or him? Woo.
That's a nicer one.
Just stalling so I don't catch him.
He swallowed it. That's another one there. Yeah. Drop it. Where's it at?
Another one?
Yeah, right. I'll get
Oh,
it.
this one's good.
This is big too.
Twins.
Double net.
Twins. Oh yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Ooh, nice one. Biggest one of the day. You get it on the drop too. No need, bro. I got you. A buddy of mine told me this color looks really good over here. Red and yellow. Because it looks like some kind of worm that they feed off of.
He's right at 50 hooky. Yes, sir.
I don't think so. Probably like a 14er. Or maybe bigger. Yeah, he's a little bigger than that. Do the Macarena dance. No, he had the jig head real good in his mouth. There was no way he was gonna get out of that. Need a net? Are you a believer?
I'm a believer.
There you go. Bring in the little guy. Oh, damn! That you got bad luck today. That thing. Oh, I got one here. He came off right by the boat. I think I got a good one. He might be a keeper. No. Oh, he ran the nuts. Yeah, he's small. He hit it right on the rock.
Oh, I got a nice one too. Hugo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, damn it, boy. Oh, ho, ho.
That might be 24.
Woohoo.
24, 23.
That 20 and a half, bro. Yeah. TikTok video.
Oh, on your TikTok.
Didn't like it.
So it might be a keeper. Or maybe not. Maybe yes. Or maybe not. Or maybe yes. Or maybe not. 14 dead? Probably 14er.
Another 14?
I don't know, man. He's pulling some drag.
He doesn't come up either.
No. Oh, it's a decent one.
Looks like a good trout, dude.
Yeah.
Is it a trout or a skip trout?
It's a trout. I saw it. Jesus. Does it want to come up, dude? Get up. Jesus, bro, this wants to stay down there. Net. There he is. Oh yeah, he's a nice one, bro. Those are.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice one. That's the biggest one of the day. He hit it on the drop too. He didn't even let me work it. He said, "No need, bro. I got you." Look at that nice trout right there, guys. On the new color. This is the new color that I haven't even put out yet. But my dad has them already. They got green with silver flake. He's a nice one. He's a nice boy. He's a nice boy. That. Wait, slippery. That dude was tough. Let me tell you. He's right at 18 inches. He's a nice fish. Big fucking eyes. Nice fucking fish.
Counted out my whole life, now I'm counting up. Now they watch me slay giants like cinemas. Big problem on the front line, that's William Wallace. And we been ready to advance, now they just waiting on us. Sitting back, I ain't laying low. Now I'm moving like a general. Got them thinking we ain't never coming. This is sneak attack and they already gone. I got fire on me from the upper room. Got God with me, I can never lose. My slingshot got a scope, so they see a red dot and that's all they know. Giants on my face and they started laughing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the entire video and not just exiting out of it real quick. What I wanted to say is, on this next part, I was with Captain George. We didn't go out for a very long time. It was more of a scouting mission, but we still landed, I think, about one red each. It was me, George, and another gentleman. I forgot his name. And I think it was his brother-in-law, Solomon. That's what it was. So on this very next video, it's going to be a short clip. Not that short, but a little bit shorter than the first one. I'm doing my best on these videos, guys, because for some reason, one of my GoPros, a lot of the footage I couldn't retrieve, and that was the POV one. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get all the shots, but I did my best. So let's get to it, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, coming up. Never saying that I done enough. Yeah, the road is rough, but I run it up. Undercover, get a couple bucks, man. How do you feel for real? Hit me coming, I build and build. Tongue sharper than a sword, I yield and steal. You can never kill the real. You know when the skills reveal. You know I ain't losing my focus, twisting my fingers. I'm giving emotion, letting my folks know that it's time to roll and we go wherever we want to. It's inevitable. Look at it.
I don't have my GoPros on yet. Here's Solomon, guys, with his first red. It's probably the one that I see. Maybe it's on my GoPro. Bring him here, I'll net him for you. Just don't carry him. Yeah, he's not that big. But he's a keeper, though. He's a keeper. Gonna open up your bell. Open up your bell. There you go. Now you close it. Yeah, he's a good keeper. A good 20 and a half. Good job, sir. Look, you had the oil in there too.
That was not the first one, sir.
First one. It didn't take too long.
Solomon, ya lleva one red, and I got the second one right here.
Oh, that's a nicer one. Let me bring in my line. Hold on.
I got another red. Yeah, I got the second red, babe.
Man, I was about to get a red, George. I think they're stacked up right here in front of us. I got it, Solomon. Yeah, I got it.
He's not pulling nice.
It's coming to you or what?
No, he's
Or
not coming to me either. He's pulling nice.
maybe it's not a red. Maybe it's a small little guy.
Yeah, it's a small guy.
Look, George got a red, guys.
I'll bring him to you.
Oh, hold on. He's a little baby.
They're really gonna make cuts.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, I know. You gotta tell me. You gotta tell me. Oh, he'll make it. I don't know. Yeah, he'll make it, George.
He'll make it.
He'll be like a good 20 3/4. You got it?
Alright, got it. Ahí está, bro. Con chingo de hierba.
A lot of grass in the water.
Chingo de hierba.
Alright, it's my turn now, guys. I was gonna catch one, but George interrupted me. Look, I'm gonna catch one on my Seth jig right here. Look, if I catch one on the Seth jig, you guys are gonna have to give George some gifts.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Chris Ann says, jump, Solomon. I'm with my brother-in-law and Hugo. Okay, just east of it, there's 3 white poles. And then there's a red pole a little bit further east.
Small red. Small red, guys. Small red. On the Seth jig and some ballyhoo bites. No circle hook needed. Nah, I got it.
Yeah, I just got them. Hey, do me a favor, send them over to Hugo's phone, because, yeah.
Ooh, look at that little nice red on the Seth jig, bro. He's kind of small though.
Okay, I'll have him do that. Yeah. Look at that baby right there. Yeah.
He might measure 20. I don't know, it's like 19. Nah, 19 and a half. 19 and a half.
19 and a half red.
And no, still go.
All right, I will. I told you, Papa. With my spray? I tell you, that's fire, that's money. Hey, Chris's daughter, Hayden, wants a shout out from Hugo. Hayden,
What's up, Hayden?
when you coming fishing out here?
Are you gonna come fishing? I don't know what to say. Shout out.
A shout out to Miss Hayden.
He's big.
15.
Oh, trout's
Gotta be 15 inches. That guy's like 20 inches. Got a nice trout, dude.
Straight into to the damn. We ain't even gotta measure it.
No, let me see him. So you got on the ballyhoo bites.
Anchored down.
That's a nice trout, dude. That's a fat trout too. I think he's gonna be a 21.
Put him in there. You already have him?
21. Oh, 19 and a half.